Okay, children, if I ask you which season is going on today, what these days, so you're going to say what? Rainy season. So what extra do we take to school in our bags? Generally, we take what? Raincoat, right? Generally, we take raincoat, umbrella. Good. For in the rainy season. Now, children, every day you are carrying raincoat. Yes. So every day does it rain? No. You carried Monday, you carried Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You are fed up. You carried these days, but it did not rain, did not rain, did not rain, did not rain. It did not rain here also. Okay. So you were fed up. So what did you do? Saturday you did not carry the raincoat, but it rained. Yes. So what can you say? Can you means there can be rain or there cannot be rain. There can be chances of rains or there may not be. So prediction, predicting. Okay, today it may rain or it may not rain. That predicting is known as chances. Okay, when there are chances of rain, because we cannot predict in the month of June. In the month of April. Can we say today it will rain? No. If it is more than 40 degrees Celsius, how can it rain? But nowadays, so quite anything is possible. So, but like after now, can I say after 1 month there will be an earthquake? No. Right? So there can be a chance of rain or there cannot be a chance of rain. Right? So these predictions are generally known as what? They are the chances, which we are going to study in a new topic for chances and probability. Now there is a very close relationship between chance and probability, which I'm going to explain you in the end. The shortcut, the summary which I'm telling you right now. Okay, so when there is a chance, you get the result either yes or no. Yes, yes, they can be rain or they can't be rain. Okay, now another chance you can say of winning or losing. When it rains, it is either it will rain or it won't rain. And when you are playing, then there's a chance of winning or there may not be a chance of winning. Okay, similarly, when in a game of a cricket, let's take an example of a cricket because it is very easy and very, people are very fond of cricket. Okay, so let's take an example of a cricket. How do we start playing cricket? There's toss. Yes, the captains of the two teams, they have a toss between among themselves. Yes, so one selects one side of one face of the coin and the other selects the other face of the coin. That is head or tail. Yes, one selects head, one selects tail. But when you toss the coin, can there be a chance of both head bhi aa jayega aur tail bhi aa jayega? No, it is not. Right? It is not. For one chance, it will be either head or there will be either tail. So you can get a result of it. Yes? If you get head, you said head. If the person who has said head wins and the person who said tails doesn't win. Okay? So there is a chance of winning, losing and getting a result. So, these experiments where we get a result, these experiments are also known as random experiments, and head or tail are the two outcomes, the results in these experiments. Or you can say example, why to say experiment? Random example. Randomly people start playing. They just toss, kaun jeetega, kaun khelega, kaun start karega. It is just for that. Okay, now there is a try these, children, which we are starting now. Try these in page 90. Is it 90? No, it is 83. Page 83, there's a try these. Let's do it. In the book itself, try these. If you try to start a scooter, if you are trying to start a scooter, What are the possible outcomes? क्या possible outcomes हो सकते हैं? Either it will start or it will not start, है ना? Is there any outcome it will start flying? No. Got it? So either it will start. This is a chance. This is a chance. Either it will start or it will not start. So there are two chances. Yes. So just write it may start or may not start. Yes. Then question number 2. When a dice is thrown, we all know what is a dice. When a dice is thrown, what are the 6 possible outcomes? When you throw a dice, what comes? 1 can come, 2 can come, 3 can come, 4 can come, 5 can come, 6 can come. Yes? Yes. There are 6 chances. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there any chance 9 can come? No. For that, we should have 2 dice. Okay, but here it is written a dice. So these are the 6 chances, 6 possible outcomes. Then there's question number 3 also, children, which we are going to start now. When you spin a wheel, what are the possible outcomes? Figure is there. This wheel, if you are spinning. So what are the chances when you are spinning this wheel? Either A will come, or B will come, or C will come. So A, B and C. These are the possible results. You have a bag with 5 identical balls of different colors and you pull out a ball without looking at it. List the outcomes that you would get. So let me make the balls. So white, red, blue or black, whatever, grey, green and yellow. So what are the possible outcomes? When you put your hand, how many times will you put your hand? Only 5 times. Why? Because there are 5 balls. इससे ज़्यादा बार डालोगे क्या? नहीं. So what are the possible for either white or red or black or green or yellow? Any of the balls can come. So these are the results. That is either white will come or red will come or black will come or green will come or yellow. Any of the ball can then okay, this we studied about the result. Okay, what can be the result? How can we get the result? So this is how we can get the result. What all can be the result? Now, this is when you are doing the means there's a you can say you're performing the experiment or you're doing this example only one time. If you do it several times, then what will happen, children? If you do it several times, like for example, if you are tossing 10 times, if you are tossing 10 times, then what will happen? 10 times head and tails can come. Head, tails, head, tails, head, head. Okay, so 5 heads can come, 5 tails can come, or 2 heads can come, or 8 tails can come, right? Or 6 heads can come, 4 tails can come, right? So you can see so many results you can get, yes? Or you can say equal type of results or more or less results can also be obtained when you increase number of your experiments. Got it? Now, we've spoken a lot about chances, outcomes. Let us link these with probability. Like this is the chance, 5 heads and 5 tails. Now, if I talk about the probability, what is the probability to get head? What is the probability? 5 heads out of 10 times, right? That is, the probability is 1 by 2. Correct? Similarly, 5 tails. So again, here only I write 5 by 10. That is 1 by 2. Then 2 heads. 2 heads means 2 by 10. 1 by 5. And here 8 by 10. 6 by 10. You can reduce it later further. So this is the probability. What is the probability? Actually, the number of chances, the number of outcomes upon the total number of chances, or the experiments, you can say. Got it? This is the probability. Now let's go to the rain example which we did. Like for example, if for 10 days, if you take the record of 10 days, we took it for 7 days, no? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. We took it for 6 days. For 6 days we took the record. Now, for 6 days, how many days did it rain? Only Saturday, 1 day. So only one chance it rained. And for 5 days it did not rain. So for raining, the chance is 1. And no, not raining, chance is what? 5. What should be the probability? Probability of raining? 1 out of 6. The result upon the total. And not raining? 5 upon 6. Got it? So this is the probability. When we write in chances, we write the result, the outcomes. And in probability, we write the outcomes with the chance. Got it? So this completes the topic of probability and chances. There's one more topic, children. Outcomes as events. Outcomes as events means, again, if you are performing any experiment more than a time, okay, more than one time, then it can be said as an event also. Okay, each outcome of an experiment or a collection of outcomes, they make an event. Then there is a trivies in page number 86. Let's do that also. The trivies. You spin the wheel. There's a wheel. Let me make it. List the number of outcomes of getting a green sector and not getting a green sector on this wheel. Outcome कितने बार green आ सकता है? जितने बार green लिखा है उतने बार आ सकता है. कितने बार लिखा है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. एंड कितनी बार नहीं आ सकता है? जहां पे वो ग्रीन नहीं लिखा है. कहां नहीं लिखा है बेटा? 1, 2, 3. 3 जगह पर नहीं लिखा है, तो इतने बार ग्रीन नहीं आ सकता है. इंस्टेड ऑफ ग्रीन व्हाट विल कम? रेड. Now find the probability of getting a green sector. What should be the probability? This is the outcome. But what should be the probability? Probability means the part, the chance, how many chances green will come upon 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many total are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. 5 by 8 is the probability of getting a green sector. And what is the probability of not getting a green sector? Outcome of not getting the green sector upon total. 3 by 8. Okay. Then chance and probability is related to real life. This we already did. Like for example, the raincoat wala. The chance, 1 day it rained, 5 days it did not rain. Probability of raining 5 out of 6. Probability of not raining 1 out of 6. Okay. Now there is exercise 5.3. Let us start. Question number 1 we are going to do in book only. Because we have to just list the outcomes you can see in the experiments. Matlab, you have to find the chance, not the probability. So, spinning a wheel. Now, this is a wheel, children, and ABC. A, B, C and D. So spinning the wheel, what all results can come? A can come, B can come, C can come and D can come. Okay. Now tossing 2 coins. These are the 2 coins. In both head can come, both tail can come. In this head comes, this tail comes, and in that head comes, this tail comes. Okay, so how many chances? 4 chances. This completes question number 1. Question number 2 also we are going to do in book. When a dice is thrown, dice का मतलब पता है पास का जो हम लूडो में यूज करते हैं. When a dice is thrown, list out the outcomes of an event of getting. Question number 2 again in book. Of getting a prime number. Getting a prime number. What is it in dice? What are the numbers? 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now who are the prime numbers here? 2, 3 and 5. You all know now what is a prime number? A prime number is a number who has only 2 factors, number 1 and number itself. Okay? And 1 is the unique number. And 4 can be divided by 2 also, so it is a composite number. 6 can be divided by both 2 and 3, again it is a composite number. So what is the outcome of coming to a prime number? That is 2, 3 and 5. Not a prime number, not a prime number, not a prime number, not a prime number, not a prime number. So 1, 4 and 6. Then number greater than 5. Who is a number greater than 5? Only 6. A number which is not greater than 5. So all 1 to 5. Not greater than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is equal to 5. So this completes question number 2. Now we start with question number 3. Question number 3 is find the probability. Question number 3 is find the probability of the pointer stopping on D in question number 1 ka A. Okay, figure is there. So again in the book, because we have to find the probability, I am making it for you all. A, B, C, D. So, of getting D. Getting D means only one chance. And out of how many chances? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1 upon 5. Of getting D, the probability of getting D is 1 upon 5. Then probability of getting an ace from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. 52 playing cards means tash, ace, I believe ace is ikka. Okay, if I am wrong, please let me know. So how many ace can be there? 4 ikkas, na? Because 4 different types of that is there. 4 different types of cards are there. That is, one is the red heart, then the diamond is there, then a black heart is there, and one more, the tree shape. Yes. So there will be 4 aces. So we have to find the probability. 4 ikkas out of how many cards? 52. Now 4 and 52 both are divisible. 4 ones are, 4 ones are, 4 threes are. So that is 1 by 13 is your answer. Then probability of getting a red apple. Let me make the apples. Here. So getting a red apple. How many red apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many total apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the probability is what? 4 by 7. This is already made. You don't have to make. You have to only write. Then question number 4. Numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. One number is on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking at it. What is the probability of getting a number 6? बहुत ही simple है. एक ही बार निकलेगा 6 because every slip is having one number 1 to 10. So out of 10, only one time 6 can come, right? So question number 4 also in book. First one, 1 by 10. Of getting a number less than 6. Of getting a number less than 6 means, let me write. These are the slips. Now getting a number less than 6 means ये सारे numbers. So what are the chances? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the total? 10. So it is 5 by 10. Which means 1 by 2. The probability is 1 by 2. We cancel it and write. Then getting a number greater than 6. Getting a number greater than 6 means these numbers, how many they are? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 10. 2 2s are, 5s are. So it is 2 by 5. Then fourth one, of getting one digit number. How many one digit numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is a 2 digit number. So we can take only this much, that is 9. So answer is what? 9 by 10. So this completes question number 4. Now let's do 5 also. If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, let's make a spinning wheel. So children, if you want, you can make at the side. 3 green sectors, 1 blue and 1 red. 3, 2, 5. जो ब्लू नहीं है, जो ब्लू नहीं है वो कितने ब्लू नहीं है, ये सारे, सो दैट इज 4/5. Now find the probabilities of the events given in question number 2. So question number 2 we have already written the answers. Okay, they were talking about the dice 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it has 1 ka A and B and 2 ka A and B. Let's do it. So to find the probability now, and we write numbers. This is the result which can come from the dice if it is thrown. So getting a prime number, so we wrote 2 3 and 5. Yes, we wrote 2 3 and 5, 2 3 and 5. That means how many? 1 2 3 numbers, 3 chances, and out of 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 3/6, that is 1/2. 1/2 is the answer. Then comes B, not a prime number. Not a prime number बेटा हमने लिखा था 1 4 और 6, तो अगेन कितने बार 1 2 and 3, 3 upon total 3/6, which is again 1/2. Then second A, not a a number greater than 5. A number greater than 5 हमने क्या लिखा था, 6 लिखा था. That means only 1. So 1 out of total, that is 1/6. And a number not greater than 5. A number not greater than 5 means 1 2 3 4 5 all. 1 2 3 4 5, यानी कि 5 chances. कितने chances again? No, 1 2 3 4 5 chances upon total. What is the total? 6. 5/6. Okay. So this completes exercise 5.3 as well as the chapter. Any confusion? Please do let me know. Once again मैं बता दूं, chances का मतलब होता है result. क्या result आएगा तो हम chances में सीधा सीधा result लिखते हैं. जैसे कि for example यहाँ पे 3 बार green आ सकता है, so we will write 3. Got it? But अगर इसी की probability लिखनी है तो how we will write? 3 times green out of 5. Remember, probability we always write in fraction. Okay, like for example, chances of getting like suppose you got 90 marks in maths. So what is the chance? 90. What is the probability? This is your probability. Simple connection. Got it? Again, one example more. Today it will rain. Today it may not rain. So chances for raining, it can be 1. Chances, or you can say outcome. Chances for not raining 1. Probability for raining 1 out of 2. Not raining again 1 out of 2. Clear? I hope it is clear. Still you have any confusion, you will ask. Complete your work till here.